It only takes 90 days to completely change your life. Guys, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can completely change your life. You can go from working a 9 to 5 job, struggling, waking up early, doing things for your boss, having zero freedom, right? To completely changing your life, working for yourself, making well over 6 figures a year, and having complete freedom. Now, I only say this because I myself was able to do this. I used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK, where I was working my 9 to 5 job. I was working for Argos, World Duty Free Sky, before I took the biggest risk of my life, quit my 9 to 5 job, packed my bags and moved to Dubai. And now I make well over 6 figures a year and I have complete freedom. And now people hire me to help them start their own online business, which can generate thousands and thousands of dollars all online. Guys, it only takes 90 days for you to completely change your life, right? A lot of people think it takes a whole year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Guys, I am telling you, I single-handedly changed my life, to be fair, even in less than 90 days, right? Because from the decision I made from quitting my job and moving to Dubai, and then 90 days later, I was struggling to find jobs, right? I wasn't able to find a job here. In fact, all the jobs rejected me, which made me go in all in my online business. And yeah, I've been here for 2 years now, make well over 6 figures a year, and it's completely changed my life. But the point I'm trying to make, right, is that it only takes 90 days, because 90 days, right, which is 3 months, is enough time for you to change your life. And not only was I able to do it, right, but a lot of my clients were able to change their lives as well. So for example, I've got a 16-year-old client, right, which is the youngest client I have, who's now recently turned 17 actually. He now makes around 5 grand a month from this business model, and he's not even worked with me for a full 3 months properly, right? So the point I'm trying to make is that 3 months can completely change your life. It doesn't matter what age you are, doesn't matter where you're from, what skills you have, all of that kind of stuff. It only takes 90 days, right? 90 days. I've got a 21-year-old client making 25 grand a month. I've got several other clients getting clients repeatedly making 10K a month, 20K a month, even clients making 30, 40K a month, right? A lot of my clients are doing so flipping well that I just have to make this video to show to you guys that for a lot of them, it only took 90 days, right? A lot of them, it only took 90 days. And a lot of you guys might be skeptical. A lot of you guys might feel like it's not possible. And the only reason you feel like this, by the way, is because you work a 9 to 5 job, right? And if you work a 9 to 5 job, you're thinking like the system. You think like the people around you. They say you're a product of, your 5 friends. And it's so true. The people you spend the most time with, you become like these people. So in your 9 to 5 job, when you're working with, I call it matrix-minded people or zombie mode people who just kind of only think that to make money is through a 9 to 5 job, guess what? You're going to think exactly like these people as well. And I'm not coming from a high horse here. I used to be like that as well, because when I was working my 9 to 5 job, yes, I felt different, right? And there was a point where I completely became different from the people around me, but everyone else thought the same. Everyone else was, 9 to 5 minded, and they could only make money through a 9 to 5. And if you told them you made money outside of a 9 to 5 job, they go crazy, like, oh, you made that much money, or you were able to do that, or I want to do that, or I want to do this, but then they don't do it, right? They don't do the work in the end that requires them to get there. But I wanted to make this video to show you guys, right? Anything is possible. If I can go from working a 9 to 5 job, struggling, making about 2 grand a month, right, to now living in Dubai, making well over 6 figures a year, not worrying about money, don't have to worry about waking up early. I haven't set an alarm for God knows how long, right? I wake up when I want, I do what I want, and I have total freedom, right? That was one of my dreams, to be fair, to have total freedom. Now, if you guys are looking to start an online business that can completely change your life, which I like to call the one skill consulting business model, and this business model is extremely easy, by the way, anyone can do it. All it is that you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? And it is super easy. If you guys are interested and you want one-to-one help with this, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, okay? But let me break down this business model, right? And let me show you guys exactly how you can change your life in literally only 90 days, okay? So firstly, what you guys have to do is make a decision. That's the first thing you have to do. And when I say make a decision, I don't mean make a decision and then, do something else that doesn't go towards that decision. No, make a decision and promise yourself that you're going to work towards that, right? So the decision could be that you want to start an online business. Okay, cool. Don't backtrack on that decision, right? Stick to that decision, start an online business, right? But then you do need help, okay? I'm not telling you guys to just start a business and, just figure it out along the way. No, you do need help. This is why it's very important that you hire a mentor. Because guys, I did the same thing. I hired a mentor. I spent a few grand with him, right? And in my first month of doing it, I made 10 grand. So it just shows the power of investing in yourself, right? So for you guys, make a decision and then find a mentor, right? Now, obviously I myself am a mentor. So if you do need any help or I'll work with you directly in building this business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, right? Or alternatively, if there's someone else you want to work with, go hire them, right? And follow exactly what they tell you to do. Guys, people underestimate how quickly your life can change. It doesn't take 1 year, it doesn't take 2 years, it doesn't take 3 years, right? You guys are thinking from a very matrix-minded, 9-to-5 minded spot where you think that everything takes time. You know, if you want to move up within a company, you have to work for what, 3-4 years, then you get a promotion. Nothing like that in business, guys. In business, you get paid for the value that you provide, right? So in regards to the One Skill Consulting business model, you could charge $5,000 for your program, right? You only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. It's as simple as that. And that is coming into what, doctor's salary in the UK? Slightly less than that. You guys can be making so much money by doing this business model. Just think about it for a second, right? If you were to make, let's say 15 grand a month, right? That is more than a doctor's salary, okay? Think about it for a second. A doctor would need to study for like 7-8 years, then become a doctor, then you've got to kind of move yourself up before you can get into a good salary bracket. But there are people as young as 17, 18, 19 making 15, 20, 30 grand a month, right? And this is doctor salaries, guys. This is salaries that doctors are making who have had to study for years and years and years and work for years and years and years and do something that's very difficult, right? Which is basically operating or whatever it is that you specialize in. Instead of doing all of that, and I'm not saying don't be a doctor, obviously if you want to be a doctor, by all means do it. But I'm trying to make the point that if you're trying to become a doctor for the money, guys, there are so many easier ways to make money, right? And by doing this business model, you can make 10 grand a month, 15 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month. Guys, you can make so much money from this business and it will completely change your life. And all it takes is 90 days. All it takes is 90 days. Everyone thinks it will take a long time. No, my 16-year-old client got his first client within a few weeks. Then he got another client within like a month. Then he got another client within a couple of months. And now he's getting like 3-4 clients a month, right? So he's now making about 5-6 grand a month consistently. I've got another client who's 21 years old. He's making around 25 grand a month consistently. I've got another client that was in the property niche, right? He was getting over 180 book calls, which is crazy. I've got another client that's teaching people data engineering. He just recently signed his first client. Guys, everyone is making money with this business. Everyone is killing it. Everyone is making absolutely absurd amounts of money. And I'll give you guys an example. There's a woman teaching people how to knit. She makes 20 grand a month teaching people how to knit. Now, we can all agree knitting is not a high-level skill by all means, right? Knitting is a very, very low-level skill. But she is making 20 grand a month teaching people how to knit. Guys, if that doesn't open your eyes in terms of what's possible, honestly, I don't know what will, right? And as I said, if you are looking for help, well, I will work with you directly on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how you can start this business, okay? Now, I want you guys after this video to either 1, book in a call with me, right? And work with me directly. Or 2, if there's someone else that you've seen, work with them. There's no, start this on your own. You can do this on your own, guys. But honestly, the way inflation's going, the way things are going at the moment, you don't really have time, right, to do this by yourself. You guys can do it, but it will take you a couple of years before you start making it profitable, okay? The best thing you guys can do is if you've got a few grand spare, invest that in a mentor and he's gonna help you tremendously. And then just start attacking. Literally just start attacking, do this business model, start making money. Once you make enough money from this, then you can quit your 9-to-5 job, you can go full in on this business, and then you can start scaling. And once you start scaling, guys, the sky is the limit. You can make as much money as you want. There are people in this industry making 100K a month, 200K a month, $500,000 a month, $1 million a month, right? To put it into perspective, my goal for next year is to reach $1 million in a month at some point, right? So the point I'm trying to make is that these goals aren't unrealistic. They might sound it, but they're not, because there are people in the industry doing it. So as I said, guys, if you are looking to start this business and you do want direct one-to-one help, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.